morning. Today I am going to start the plant Amalaki, which is commonly known as Indian gooseberry. It is considered as Dathu in Ayurveda, and as per Charaka, it is one among the best Rasayana. Basionym of plant Amalaki. As per Prakash Nighantus, Amalate dharayati shariram maladharane अथवा आमल एव आमलकी दोष शमनत्वात् अथवा आमलत्वेव शेष्यात्. And as per प्रिय निघंटु, धात्री देह विदारणाद आमलता दानाद रसे चामलता भावाद आमलकी नृणाम हितम नित्यम भवेत् सर्वता इति. As per these two references considered, Amalaki gives a meaning like which cleanses the body, which pacifies the doshas, and which is best in sustaining the body, and also it is having a sour taste. Scientific classification of the plant Amalaki: Kingdom Plantae, Division Magnoliophytae, Class Magnoliopsida, Order Malpighiales, Family Phalaentheaceae, Genus Phalanthus, Species Amalaki Emblica. Ganas are Vargas as per Brahat Trayas and Nighantus. As per Charaka, it is included in Vayastapana, Virajinopaga, Jwarahara, Kasara and Kushtagna. As per Shishruta, included in Amlakyadi, Trifila and Parushakadi Gana. In Vagbata, it is included under Parushakadi. In Kaideva Nighantus, Aushadhi Varga. Dhanvantar Nighantus, Buduchadi Varga. Raji Nighantus, Amradi Varga. Shodal Nighantus, Buduchadi Varga. And Prakash Nighantus, Haritakyadi Varga. Vernacular names of the plant Amalaki: Hindi, Amla, Amla, Anvala, Ambala, Amlika. English, Indian gooseberry. Kannada, Nilli, Nillikayi, Bettadu Nillikayi. Telugu, Usirikayi, Amlakamu, Nilli, Pedusiri. Tamil, Nillikayi, Perunilli, Nillikayi. Marathi, Avli, Avlakatti, Avil. Malayali, Nilli. Bengali, Amla, Amro, Amla, Amalaki. Punjabi, Amla, Ambul, Ambalo. Gujarati, Avala, Amalam, Amali. Synonyms of plant Amalaki: Amala, as it is purifying the doshas. Amritaphala, Amrita, as it gives nectar-like benefits. It is Kola, because weight of the fruit is 5 gram. Jati Phalarasa, juice of the fruit is useful. Datri, as it nourishes like mother. Vayasta and Vayasya, as it promotes the longevity. Vrattaphala, fruit is berry. Brashya, it is responsible for Vanchikarna. Shivam, it is auspicious. Shitaphalam, as it having cold potency. Shadrasa, it is with all the 6 tastes. Types of plant Amalaki. As per the available references, its varieties are Krishna, Amrita, Neelam, Kanchan, Amalaki and Prachina Amalakam. Apart from this, in some texts we get 2 more varieties, Vanya and Gramya. Habitat of Amalaki. Amalaki is available naturally or in cultivated form throughout the India. It is also found in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia and southern China. Botanical description of Amalaki. Habit: it is a small to medium-sized deciduous tree, reaches 8 to 18 meter in height. Leaves of Amalaki are simple, entire with reticulate type of venation. Leaves are often mistaken like leaflets. Genus name of Amalaki is Phalanthus, which gives a meaning leaf flower or else flowers on the leaves. Parotaxy alternate. Flowers of Amalaki are small, greenish, yellow or pinkish. Flowers having 6 segments with no petals. Male and female flowers are separately arranged on the same plant, flowering from April to May. Fruit of Amalaki is spherical or berry, which is fleshy from light greenish to yellow in color. It is 6-lobed with 6 vertical stripes or furrows. Vertical furrows enclosing 6 trigonous seeds in 2-seeded 3 crustaceous cocci. Chemical composition of the plant Amalaki. It is a good source of vitamin C and minerals. Root consists of gallic acid, lupiol, olinolic aldehyde. Bark consists of prosanidin and tannin. Fruit consists of vitamin C, phallum linoleic acid, indole acid, coriolgin, eleic acid, phallimic acid and salts. Rasapanchaka are properties of Amalaki. Rasa, Amla Pradhana, Lavanavarjita Pancharasa. Gunas, Guru, Shita and Ruksha. Virya, Shita, Vipaka, Madhura, Prabhava, Rasayana. Action on Dosha, Dathu and Mala. Dosha, it is Tridoshamaka. Dathu, on Rakta, it is useful in hemorrhagic diseases and jaundice. On Medha Dathu, it is useful in Prameha. On Shukra Dathu, it is aphrodisiac or Vajikara. On Sapta Dhatus, it is Rasayana and specially useful for Mamsa. On Mala, it is Malapravrutaka. Fresh fruit is laxative and dry fruit is constipative. Indications of plant Amalaki. It is useful in Prameha, Raktapitta, Netra Roga, Kusta, Arshas, Soma Roga, Pradhara, Mutrakrachra and Shula. External uses of plant Amalaki. Paste of Amalaki useful for local application in burning, headache and retention of urine. Juice of Amalaki useful in eye disorders. Fruits water useful for hair wash and leaf juice used as eye drops in eye diseases. Internal uses of plant Amalaki. On nervous system, it is useful to strengthen the bone marrow as well as useful in any kind of weakness of sense organs. On digestive system, it is Rochana, Deepana, useful in constipation. So by this, it is useful in management of piles. It is also useful in hemoptysis, epitaxis. It is useful in hemorrhagic dysentery. On the circulatory system, it is useful in heart diseases, hemorrhagic diseases. In anemia, best combination is Lohbasma and leaves of Amalaki. On respiratory system, it is useful in Kasa, Swasa and Kshaya. On reproductive system, it is useful in spermatoria, menorrhagia and uterine debility. On urinary system, it is useful in dysuria and prameha, where fresh amla juice be used. Useful parts of plant Amalaki: fruit pulp or fruit and leaves. Posology or matra: fresh juice 15 to 20 ml and powder 5 to 6 grams. Therapeutic uses of plant Amalaki. In Prameha, Amalaki and Ardraka Swarasa with Madhu. In Hika, juice of Amalaki and Kapita with Pipali Churna and Madhu. In Jwara, Amalaki Swarasa with Grita. In Raktarsha, Swarasa with Dadimanda. In Shweta Pradhara, Swarasar Churna with Madhu. In Raktapitta, Swarasa with Madhu. In Mudrakata, Swarasa with water 3 times a day. In Kasa, Churna boiled with milk and given along with ghee. In Vatarakta, Puranagrata Siddha Swarasa. In Pandu, Swarasa with Ikshurasa and Madhu. For Rasayan Karma, chewed along with Madhu, Grata, Pippali, Sharkara. In Kantaroga, Swarasa and Pippali Yavagu. In Jwara, Swarasa, Pippali, Yavashiddha, Peya. For Vajikarna, Swarasa Bhavana given to Chuna and given with Madhu, Sharkara. In Somaroga, ripened banana, juice of Amalaki, honey and sugar. Formulations of Amalaki. Chavanprasha, Dhatri Loha, Amalaki Rasayana, Palasava, Amalaki Adichurna, Kanakarista, Dhatrarista, Brahma Rasayana, Dhatri Rasayana, Trifla Churna and Trifla Gugulu. Adverse effects of Amalaki. Amalaki should not be used during the night. In night, Amalaki before sleep can weaken the teeth, and overexposure to citrus fruit might erode the tooth enamel and irritate the throat. Amalaki is contraindicated in Ama as well as Pitta-Vikara. As Amalaki when kapha aggravation which leads to Ama may cause toxicity, and in Pitta Vikara, especially in diarrhea, it is contraindicated. Recent research activities of Amalaki: antidiabetic property and hypoglycemic activity, antipeptic ulcer activity, hypolipidemic activity, antimicrobial activity, anti-inflammatory activity, antioxidant activity, rasana activity and action on CNS